I will talk about how can you add speed deal on your CallApp. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on customization, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here, you come here to speed deal, just click on it. So then here can you add contact on speed deal here. So that's all you have to do to add your speed deal. That's all. I wish now you are get it. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.